In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an entry on MyFitnessPal. This process is straightforward and will help you manage your food diary effectively. Whether you made a mistake or simply want to keep your log tidy, knowing how to delete entries is essential. Let's get started. First, launch the MyFitnessPal app on your device. You will see the familiar interface designed for easy navigation. Once the app is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for everything that follows. If it's your first time using the app, don't worry, you will quickly get the hang of it. Next, tap the Diary tab at the bottom of the screen. This tab is where you can view all your entries for the day, including meals, snacks, water intake, and exercises. When you tap on this tab, you'll immediately see a list of your logged activities. This is important because accessing your diary allows you to see what you need to delete. Remember, keeping your diary organized is key to tracking your progress accurately. Now locate the food, water, or exercise entry you want to remove. Scroll through the list to find the specific item. You can look for specific meals or activities that you may have accidentally logged. This step can take a moment, especially if you have many entries. However, it's essential to be precise here to ensure you only delete the correct item. If you find it challenging to locate an entry, consider using the search function within the app. After you find the entry, tap the delete entry that appears. A prompt will usually pop up to confirm your action. This is a critical moment because it allows you to double-check your choice before finalizing the deletion. Tapping on delete ensures that you are ready to remove the entry from your diary permanently. You'll appreciate this extra confirmation step as it prevents accidental deletions. Once you confirm the deletion, you will see that the entry is removed from your diary list. This makes sure your changes are saved and your diary is up to date. Seeing your diary reflect the accurate information keeps your tracking reliable. It's a small step, but it greatly enhances your overall experience with the app. As you go through these steps, remember that managing your entries effectively can lead to better tracking of your health goals. It may seem like a simple task, but keeping your diary clean can make a significant difference in your fitness journey. Whether you are logging meals or exercises, having accurate entries is vital for achieving your goals. With these steps completed, you now know how to delete any unwanted entries in MyFitnessPal. You can revisit this process anytime you need to make changes to your diary. This skill is valuable as it helps you stay organized and focused on your fitness objectives. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your MyFitnessPal diary more efficiently.